$50 2017 RS3 sedan, the entry point to Ingolstadt's go-fast inner circle. Employing an arsenal of handling hardware and a stonking inline-5 engine, it is one of the most formidable and priciest small cars on the market. Although Audi didn't sell previous versions of this little all-wheel drive hot rod in the United States, the latest RS3's feisty goodness atones for both the weight and its asking price. Highs. Awesome turbo 5-cylinder, planted yet playful chassis, lovely cabin. Lows. More engine noise please, big price for a small car, cramped backseat. We've already described the RS3, which debuted as a late 2017 model, after driving it in Oman, and we can now report that its extra wallop over Audi's already capable S3 sedan translates just as well to our Midwestern environs. The goods. The RS3's mechanicals and MQB platform are largely shared with the $65,875 Audi TTRs, including the thrilling 400 HP turbocharged 2.5-liter 5-cylinder. The kicker for shelling out roughly $11,000 more than for a 292 HP 4-cylinder S3, the 5 is revised and now features an aluminum block, versus the previous version's cast iron piece, and both port and direct fuel injection. The upshot is that the engine is more powerful and 57 pounds lighter than before, removing critical weight from the car's nose for a front-to-rear weight bias of 57.7/42.3%. Put your foot down and there's a brief pause before the transversely oriented engine's honking turbocharger spools up a maximum of 19.8 psi of boost, helping to deliver 354 lb-ft of torque at just 1,700 rpm. The 5 then yawls excitedly to its 7,000 rpm fuel cutoff to churn out its full complement of 400 horsepower. The standard 7-speed dual-clutch automatic trans